guys, Miss Charlie here with a first time use palette video. This is the first time I'm using the Nomad Whistler Snow Lodge. I got this last year, Black Friday, and I forgot I had it and hadn't used it yet. I also got another of their palettes, the forest one, the forest one with the animals. I got that one too. I haven't even swatched it yet. Haven't used it yet. So, oh well. But this one came up on my makeup calendar because I have been thinking about I need to try it out and use it. I do have some Nomad palettes and I also have videos of them. I will link them below. But this came up on my calendar, so it was a perfect time to use it. Again, this is the Whistler Snow Lodge palette. I had wanted to get it, and when I saw that it was discounted during Black Friday, I went ahead and picked it up, and the other one. So this is the box, the packaging, very, very pretty. The colors on here are emulated in the palette as well. And those are the colors that you will be getting. And I'll open it so you can see the inside, which is exactly like the box. And that's how she looks. I like the packaging. It's not too thick, not too thin, and it's nice and sturdy. So this would be a good palette to travel with. And that's what she looks like inside. Very pretty. You have neutrals and you got color in there as well. It can be a grungy palette too. I just thought this spoke to me, so that's why I went ahead and got it. And all the colors that I used worked beautifully. I used this, and this. So I will be doing more looks with this. I want to get into these colors, like a look with these colors right here, and I want to get into that dark blue and this sparkly blue. But if you have this palette, let me know your thoughts, if you like it, if you enjoy it. I've gotten into Nomad over the last 6 to 8 months, so I have a few of their palettes and I have been very, very impressed. My first one was the autumn one. Beautiful palette. I did a 3 looks with that. I'll link it below. And then I also got the Santa Village one, which was okay. Also link that video below as well. But this is what I used today, and I did put swatches up on my Instagram, so make sure you are following there. But I'll put pictures of them here if you haven't seen them. But my first time trying this palette, and we'll go ahead and get into the tutorial.